This is part 2 of labels, specifically label states. I am going to open my index scene in my Smart Remote project folder. I'll quickly put a header at the top. Now I will put another label below. I want to show you a label in an on and off state. In the label text field, I am going to put a server variable that tracks the on and off state of a projector. Projector_state. Again, all server variables need to be in double curly braces. This simple label will toggle between the words on and off as I switch my projector on and off. If we go to the Label States tab, we can also set the colors to change. Let's make the label green when on, and red when off. To do this, we put the same server variable as in the text field, in the reference variable field. By doing this, we are communicating with my server that we want to do something different depending on the value of this variable. We are going to set the state value as on. Below, let's select a green label color at 100% opacity. We will also check the Display when active checkbox. This is what allows us to see the choices we have made. Below, we can also set a color for the inactive state or off state. I am going to select red and check Display when inactive. Now that we have set up a simple on/off label, we need to have something to make the label switch back and forth. I am going to grab a button for the purpose of this demonstration. I will be going over buttons in a separate video, but will quickly show how we can use them here. The first button I labeled on. Next, I will go to the server command field and type in the command that will simulate turning a projector on. Set variable, pipe, projector_state, on. I will save, then copy and paste this button and label it off. Then if I go to the server command field, I can just change the word on, at the end, to off. Now we have our on-off buttons. If we launch this project and press these buttons, you will see the state of the projector in this label. Let's copy and paste the label and add a couple more features. If we go back into Label States, you will see the option to add an icon. Click on the I button and type the work check in the search field. It can take a while for all the icons to load. When you find a check you like, double-click it. Now under Active Label, you can add text to be displayed when in the on state as well. I am going to type projector is on. I am going to do this again for the off state. I'll select an X for my icon, and type the projector is off for my label. I am going to increase the width of this label, and then click the Save Refresh button so that the icon will appear. Now if we launch this and click our on, off buttons, you will see what we have defined for this label. Thank you for viewing. We will go over states some more when we get to the buttons part 2 tutorial.